the millionaire dream more attainable than you think. Becoming a millionaire is a goal that many aspire to, but often believe is beyond their reach. It's a dream that many people hold, often seeming out of reach. The idea of accumulating such wealth can feel daunting, especially when faced with everyday financial challenges. However, achieving millionaire status is more attainable than you might think. It doesn't require a stroke of luck or an extraordinary event. It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. Instead, it's about making informed and wise financial decisions. It's about making smart financial choices consistently over time. This includes budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding the power of compound interest. With discipline and a solid plan, anyone can achieve financial freedom and build lasting wealth. Creating a detailed financial plan is crucial, as it serves as a roadmap to guide your journey. This guide will provide practical steps to help you turn your millionaire dream into a reality. From setting clear financial goals to learning about different investment options, every step is important. It's important to remember that becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a long-term perspective. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Financial setbacks are a part of the journey, and resilience is key to overcoming them. Stay focused on your goals, seek guidance when needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal of financial independence and wealth. Mastering your money, the foundation of wealth. The journey to becoming a millionaire begins with taking control of your finances. This means understanding where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you spend and save. It's about living below your means, avoiding debt, and building a solid financial foundation. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. The power of budgeting. See where your money goes. Budgeting often gets a bad rap, but it's the cornerstone of financial success. It's not just about cutting back, it's about understanding your financial habits and making them work for you. A budget isn't about restricting your life, it's about empowering you to make informed choices about your money. When you know where your money is going, you can make better decisions that align with your goals and values. It helps you prioritize your spending, ensuring that your money is going towards the things that matter most to you. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or investing in your future, a budget helps you stay on track. There are various budgeting methods available, so find one that suits your lifestyle. From the envelope system to zero-based budgeting, there's a method out there that can help you manage your finances effectively. The key is to track your income and expenses diligently. This means recording every dollar that comes in and goes out, so you have a clear picture of your financial situation. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial needs may change over time. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can make sure it continues to serve your needs. Remember, a budget is a living document that should evolve with your financial situation. It's not set in stone, and it's okay to make changes as your circumstances change. The goal is to create a financial plan that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Saving strategies, building your wealth foundation. Saving money is crucial for building wealth. It provides a financial safety net for emergencies and allows you to capitalize on investment opportunities. Start by setting realistic savings goals. Aim to save a percentage of your income each month. Explore different savings options such as high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts to maximize your returns. Consider automating your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Section 5. Smart Investing, Growing Your Money Over Time. Investing is essential for growing your wealth and outpacing inflation. It allows your money to work for you, generating passive income and compounding over time. Start by learning the fundamentals of investing. Explore different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to diversify your portfolio. Consider working with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing involves risks, but it's a crucial step towards building long-term wealth. Section 6. Exploring entrepreneurship, creating your own path. Entrepreneurship offers a path to financial freedom and wealth creation. Starting your own business allows you to be your own boss, pursue your passions, and potentially generate significant income. Identify a business idea that aligns with your skills and interests. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your target market, revenue streams, and marketing strategy. Explore funding options, such as small business loans or crowdfunding. Entrepreneurship requires hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be substantial. Section 7. Pitfalls to avoid on your millionaire journey. On the road to becoming a millionaire, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle accordingly. Live below your means and continue saving and investing wisely. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes. There are no shortcuts to wealth creation. Avoid falling prey to scams that promise unrealistic returns or require significant upfront investments. Stay disciplined with your financial plan and focus on long-term growth. Section 8. Real-life millionaires' inspiration from those who made it. Countless individuals have achieved millionaire status through hard work, determination, and smart financial decisions. Take inspiration from their stories and learn from their experiences. Remember, if they can do it, you can too. Oprah Winfrey, for example, overcame a challenging upbringing to become a media mogul and philanthropist. Warren Buffett, known for his value investing approach, became one of the wealthiest individuals globally. Their stories demonstrate that with perseverance and a sound financial strategy, anything is possible. Section 9. Mindset matters. Cultivating a wealth-building mentality. Becoming a millionaire requires more than just financial knowledge. It demands a shift in mindset. Cultivate a positive money mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Embrace lifelong learning. Continuously seek financial education and stay updated on market trends and investment strategies. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your financial aspirations and can provide support and motivation. Section 10. Taking action. Your first steps towards financial freedom. The first step towards becoming a millionaire is to take action. Start by setting clear financial goals. Determine how much you need to save and invest regularly to reach your target. Create a budget and track your expenses diligently. Automate your savings and investments to make it easier to stay on track. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through financial literacy programs. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the journey to financial success is not just about reaching a destination, but about appreciating every step along the way. Becoming a millionaire is an achievable goal for those willing to put in the effort. By mastering your money, saving diligently, investing wisely, and making informed decisions, and cultivating a wealth-building mindset, you lay the foundation for long-term prosperity. You can create a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Embrace the journey with enthusiasm and determination, stay committed to your goals, and celebrate each milestone you achieve along the way. Never stop learning and growing. Continuously educate yourself about new financial strategies, market trends, and investment opportunities. Remember, financial success is not merely about accumulating wealth, but about achieving financial freedom and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and passions. Start today, stay consistent in your efforts, and enjoy the rewards of your hard work and dedication. Celebrate your successes, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward with confidence and resilience.